Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. This exercise is also dependent on the RegEx tool. So in this video, we will see an exercise. The objective is how to represent two words separately in two separate columns with the help of RegEx tool. So for this purpose, we will make use of our previous exercise in which we have extracted one single word and we have represented it in the separate column or separate field which is named as regex output. So I'll just drag this, copy this, press Ctrl C and then go to the new workflow number 4. And over here in the new workflow canvas, press Ctrl V. So we can see that we have taken this input data tool from the in out tab. We have loaded a file named as coffee chain sales, and from that we have taken this particular sheet number 2. So we will represent this amaretto original. Amaretto will be in the separate column and original will be in the separate column. So this will be regex out 1 and regex out 2. Amaretto in regex out 1 and original will be in the regex out 2. So two columns will be required. So it is connected with this particular regex tool which is available in the parse tab. So we have connected it. I'll just click on run. So after clicking on run, the results workflow is going to be available in the download window over here. So over here the results is available. So we are basically concentrating on this field which is named as product. So there are 13 record displayed and 6 fields are there. Now 2 fields is going to get increased. So from 6 it will be becoming 8. So when I click on this particular output anchor of parse tab, we have taken this regex tool. When we have clicked on the output anchor of regex tool, so at that time it is showing us 7 fields. Now we have to go to this configuration pane. So in the configuration pane, we have to see that which column we have to pass. So product is the column or the field which we have to pass. So we have selected this product. Yes. Then we have to use one expression over here. So the expression over here is A to Z. So the expression over here is A to Z plus and then bracket. Then if we want to represent this amaretto and original in separate columns or separate field, then what we have to do? We have to go to this particular case, then use a slash backslash type s, give a space, copy this, expression and paste this. So where we have to represent it, so automatically we have to select this particular. You can see over here that regex out 1 and regex out 2 means there will be two output in which one of the data is going to show you amaretto, in another output you are going to see this particular original word. So amaretto is one word and original will be the second word. So the fields is going to get extended or it will be getting more. So you will be getting two outputs over here. So regex out 1 and regex out 2. and the output method which we have to select is nothing but parse. Why we have to select it parse? Because if we have selected parse, then and then it will be represented in the separate file. Now we'll only click on run. So over here we can see that we have applied the parse to the column named as product, and we have represented this amaretto and original Colombian mix. This is separated. So regex out 1 and regex out 2, amaretto and then original. Likewise Colombia X decaf as likewise this is being separated. So in this way we can represent two words separately in the two separate fields or column. I hope you have understood this particular video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.